In today's video, we have our FabFitFun. This is the Winter 2024 box. If you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, see all the spoilers that you had to choose from, then keep on watching. Today's co-host is Miss Akira, aka Kiri, aka Tired Girl. It is very, very early. What time is it? Let me see. It is 9:04, but I got up at like 6:30, got in the shower, got dressed, had my coffee, and I am not a morning person, so it takes me a couple hours to like wake up. And she's like, you better give me something. You got me up this daggone early. So like I said, this is the Winter 2024 FabFitFun box.
Hello, this is Editing Ann here. So I forgot to mention in the video that if you do purchase this box, if you use code ANN, you get 20% off. But if you get this box annually and you use the code ANN gift, you get a $200 gift free just for using my code.
Now right here I have my computer, that way I can show you. I'll also put on screen the pictures of everything that we had to choose from in each category and then what I chose. Alright, let me set this up here. I'm not prepared. That's what it looks like right there. Okay, so let me read off everything that you could have got for category 1 and then I'll show you what I picked. So you could have got the Oraplex. It's a shampoo and conditioner bundle that was $60. I almost picked that one. You could have got the Murad wrinkle corrector. That was $70. I didn't get that. I have enough skincare. The Cleo Bella tote bag. That was $98. I don't have my glasses on. The Emerald Kitten Little Marsh with clip, that was $69. You could have got it in emerald or chocolate. You could have got the Glass House Fragrance Scent Scene Duo for $45. Let's see. You could have got a necklace that was $75. You could have got a Kate Spade belt that was $58, and they came in different sizes. It came in small, medium, large, extra large, and then 1X, 2X, which is good. I'm glad they came in different sizes like that. Okay, you could have got a toned scarf that was $58 in gray. You could have got the Hourglass Vanish Blush Stick in the shade Devoted for $46. Then you could have got it in Adore and also Sacred. Okay, so there's 3 different shades. Now, I picked, of course, why wouldn't I? The blanket. I pick these every year, and I try to get different colors, but they're just so soft, and I love them so much. So it's called the Unhide Emerald Kitten Little Marsh with clip, and this was $69. It's something sticking on there. All right, so it looks like this, and I'm telling you because I get them all the time. They are so soft, and I don't have this color. Looks like that. Isn't that just gorgeous? I got to keep this away from my dogs because they always get the blankets. You see she's even laying on one. Let me cut the little thingy-majiggies. Look at how gorgeous this is. It is so pretty. And then, so you have this. See, you can wrap it around you and clip it. Ooh. And this actually feels heavier than I remember. Isn't this just gorgeous? This is one of my favorite colors. Oh my God, I love this so much. Okay. So for the Choice 2 category, you could have got soup bowls that were $48. You could have got the iconic London Face and Eye palette, which was $62. You could have got the iconic London Underglow Blurring Primer, that was $30. You could have got a beanie that was $58. Measuring cups that were $70. I almost picked that one. I did not. You could have got a cookbook holder for $31.50. I did not get that because I don't use cookbooks. I just measure by eyes and stuff like that. Lissy Homemade Mulberry Silk Sleep Mask in the shade Emerald for $49.95. Or you could have got the Fenty Skin Melt Away Jelly Makeup Melting Cleanser for $34. And I picked the sleeping mask in emerald green. And I got this for Lexi. I don't typically like, when I go to bed, I don't like nothing on me, not even socks. Like, I don't want to touch anything. I don't want to feel anything. I'll have covers on me, but then, like, I'll have my feet out, you know. So it comes in this box right here. It says 100% pure mulberry silk. Now I might have to keep this for myself. So it looks like this. That's how it looks. Oh, it's just really, I just love this color so much. So here is the sleeping mask. That is so pretty. There you go. It would look like that. And then you get a little case for it. This is really nice. I don't know. I might actually keep this for myself because I didn't tell her I got this for her. I might. So it's either going to be this or the measuring bowls, but I decided to get this. When I sleep, I have to have, I don't want the light on, the TV on, nothing. I want it dark and like so quiet, you know? Like my boys, they have to have the TV on, some kind of sound on, not me. Not I, said the fly. Okay, so for option number 3, these were your choices. The Brightening Under Eye Cream, that was $125 by Perricone Essential. You could have got the Dibs Beauty Go-To Glossy Balm in Effortless Pink. That was $24. A 18-karat gold-plated adjustable crystal bracelet for $40. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen for $22. There were different shades. You could have got an ebony, taupe, soft brown, medium brown, or dark brown. You could have got the Avita Curl Enhancer Cream for $36, you know, for your hair. The Honey Jar and Dipper for $40. A Towel 28 Mascara for $20. Let's see, a cookbook for $35. And a First Aid Beauty Bronze and Glow Drops with niacinamide for $28. And I picked the Brightening Under Eye Cream that was $125. You know what I always say. Anything for the eyes. Yes, please. I'm shocked how tiny this is. This puppy is $125. Oh my. Stop it. Would you? I can't make this up. Look how tiny this is. I mean, let's be real. You only need very little. And it's filled up. I better be for $125. Oh, and it's like thick. You know, remember how I told you every time I do beauty boxes, at nighttime, I like it thick and I like to look greasy, right? So a lot of serums and thick creams and stuff. And then during the day, not so much, right? This is perfect for nighttime. Oh, this is nice. What I would put this on is under my eyes and then also right here. I have smile lines and then I have one, see this deep dimple right here? Dimple. Wrinkle right there. Oh. Okay. This is going to go on nice, very sparingly. I'll tell you that. All right. So I'm really happy, though, that they had this option. Okay. So for choice 4, we got a Nip and Fad Hyaluronic Fix Extreme Concentrate for $24.95. The Riddle Oil, it's a roll-on fragrance for $58. Now, I had got sent a bunch of them in PR like last year, and they're really good if you are have like an allergy or something for scents. It's very soft and clean. Or if you work in a place where other people might have allergies to the fragrance or the strong scent. So it's really, really good. I don't care for it too much because I like it a little bit stronger, but it's good for that, you know. If you get migraines from fragrances and stuff like that, it's really, really good. Okay, these are the Lemmy Glow Skin and Nails Gummies. I think this is a Kourtney Kardashian brand. They're $30. Or you could have got the Lemmy Curb Capsules for $40. The Pathology Eye Gel Patches. It's a 15-pack for $35. Some nail polish you could have got for $32. You could have got a safety alarm for $30 and a Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel for $28. And do you guys know what I got? You should know by now. I got the Pathology eye patches for $35. I've got these in a BoxyCharm before, tried it, and I really do like them a lot. I use these usually during the day or at night, it depends, but I really like these during the day. So you have a little spoon thingy to help you get it out. So you have a nice little thingy-majiggy. And then that's how they look. Oh, I'm dropping serum. Nope, don't want to do that. And yeah, these are really, really nice. And you would because they stick together, so you would do that just to get one out. And it's sanitary. And you get, like I said, it's a 15-pack. So you get 30 altogether. I really like these eye patches. And they stick to, you know how some of them, they just like fall down? But no, these work pretty good. Okay, for choice 5, you could have got the Wander Beauty Good To Go Beauty Sponge Ornament for $20. You could have got the Neighbor Goods Set Storage Cloths, Fresh Herbs for $18. Bow Clip, you get 1 or 2-pack for $18. A Chili Crisp Jar, it's like a seasoning, for $15. One of those Reset Rollers, you could have got that for $24. You could have got Matcha Latte Mix in Strawberry for $21, or Avaha Mineral Radiance Cleansing Gel for $28. And I got the bow. That was $18. Now, I'll tell you why. You would think, why the hell did you get a bow? Because I never wear these. But out of everything here, there really wasn't much that I would get to choose from. I mean, that I would pick. You know, now the Reset Roller, like I have one of them. Or I was going to get the Avaha Mineral Radiance Cleansing Gel, but, you know, I have so many cleansing gels. So I just got this. This is a one pack. So it's a little like clip here. Let me show you. Let me take this off. So you see it clips like that. And I don't know. I was thinking like, you know, if I don't know what I was thinking, okay? We'll figure it out. But of all the options, this is what I chose to have. Either this or if Lexi sees it, she'll get it. And if it's too long, you can always cut that. Don't forget that if it's too long, you know, which I don't know. We shall see. Okay, and for the last choice is choice 6. You could have got a body milk that was $28. You could have got the Playground Mood Maker Body Massage Oil for $32. A sleep spray for $45. You could have got, it's like a cow ivory like tote for $55. Toiletry that was $25. An acne treatment, it's a nighttime for, what does that say, $26. You'd have got some socks for $24. The Towel 28 Juice Bomb Mix bundle, so they're, I guess it's lipsticks for $32. And then the Fenty Skin Cookies and Cream Whipped Clay Pore Detox Face Mask. Oh my God, that was a lot to say. For $37. And I got the Playground Mood Maker Body Massage Oil for $32. Right here. And I'm very curious because I just like any type of oils. I just like oils for like my body and stuff. I don't know. Again, I wasn't sure what to get with this thing either. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Let's see. Okay, so you would turn it to lock, turn it to open. And it's just a regular oil. Oh, it smells good. And I like putting this stuff on my elbows, on my feet, on my knees, stuff like that, you know, or unless you have somebody that you can, you know, give you a massage. But I do. I really do enjoy oil. So let me make sure I close this. Okay. That does smell really, really good. I hear my daughter, her car beep beep. She just got out of work because she works night shifts, and she worked a little overtime. Anyway, so hopefully, let me hurry up before the dog hears her come in and she starts barking. All right, so let's recap everything that I chose in my winter FabFitFun. So I got the Mood Maker Massage Oil, which I'm really, really happy to get this. And this is filled to the top, so you do get a lot in here. So I got that. Oh my goodness, my favorite thing is this. Oh, I'm telling you right now, it is so soft and so nice. Oh, and it has some weight to it. And I've had these before, washed them. I mean, they really, really are nice. And I love this color. It's my favorite color. We have the little hair bow. Again, we'll see. Like I said, I thought it was cute. I don't know. I might use it. Who knows? But I have that. We got the Emerald Sleek Mask. That's it says 100% pure mulberry silk. Oh, I'm very excited to get this. The under eye cream, $125. Between this and this right here is $200 just for this, just for those two items. And then I got the Pathology eye patches. So let me know what you think. Are you going to get the winter FabFitFun box? Are you not? Would you get this box? And let me know your choice items. Let me know down below because you know your girl's nosy. I really think they did a good job with this winter's FabFitFun box. I really, really do. There had been others that have been a lot better and others that, you know, are a lot worse. And this is right there. I will leave everything down in the description box. I will leave the link if you want to purchase this box. Let me know down below what your thoughts are. If you don't know, I do have a vlog channel, Just Anne's World. Right now, I'm getting ready to go grocery shopping and all of that stuff. So I will leave the link to that vlog channel down below. Check it out. See if that is something that you're interested in. If you like walk-in talks, if you like story times, coffee talks, if you like to just go shopping with me. And if you want to get to know me more on a personal level, then like I said, check it out and see if that is something that you're interested in. All right, guys, that is everything. I done talked your ear off early in the morning. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys. Did I bore you? Huh? You're being such a good girl. Yeah, Jojo Baba. I love you. You smell the oil? That smell good. That smell good. I love you so much. I love you.